In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase additional credits in Manus AI. If you've been hitting your usage limit or you're planning a bigger project, adding credits ensures your work keeps moving without interruption. I'll guide you through the exact screens and share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. First, open your preferred browser and go to manus.im app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you proceed. If you manage more than one workspace, confirm you're in the one where you need the credits, since billing and balances are tied to the account you're currently using. Once you're in the app, head to Profile. You'll typically find this by selecting your avatar or your account icon, usually in the upper right corner of the interface. On mobile, the option may be tucked inside the main menu. Opening Profile gives you access to account, billing, and plan settings, which is where credit purchases are managed. Inside Profile, choose Upgrade. This is the path Manus AI uses to let you increase your plan and, with it, your available credits. Selecting Upgrade doesn't immediately charge you, it just brings up the available options. If you don't see it right away, look for an account or billing subsection within Profile, as interfaces can shift slightly over time. From there, you'll be taken to the pricing area, which you can also reach at manus.im AP pricing. Review the available plans and pick the one that matches your needs. Higher tiers typically include more monthly credits and features, so consider your recent usage patterns and any upcoming work. When you've chosen a plan, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your payment method. Enter your billing details carefully, double-check the plan name and total, and then confirm. Most payments process quickly, and you should see a success message once it's complete. After payment, give the page a moment to refresh. Your plan and credits should update automatically. If they don't appear right away, try a quick refresh of the browser or sign out and back in. Keep an eye on your inbox for a receipt or confirmation message for your records. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the profile area, opened Upgrade, selected the right plan, and completed payment so additional credits are available. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, uninterrupted experience in Manus AI. If you need to revisit these steps later, you can always return to your profile and view your current plan and balance.